In this video, I'll guide you through how to get your FiveM Steam Hex ID. If you're setting up a FiveM server, joining a community that requires identification, or completing server-related configuration, knowing how to find your Steam Hex ID can be very useful. The process is straightforward and only takes a few minutes. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through each step so you can retrieve your Steam Hex ID quickly and accurately. To begin, make sure the Steam application is installed on your computer, then launch it. If you aren't already signed in, you'll be greeted by the login screen. Click the login button, enter your account name and password, and carefully check that everything has been entered correctly before selecting Sign In. Once you've logged in successfully, you'll be taken to your Steam homepage where you can access your games, profile, and account settings. Next, look toward the upper right corner of the Steam window and click on your profile name. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, choose View My Profile to open your public Steam profile page. Once your profile is loaded, locate the Edit Profile button near the top of the page and click it. This opens the profile editing interface where you can manage several aspects of your account. In this section, look for your custom URL area. Here you'll find your Steam profile URL, which serves as a unique identifier for your account and is needed for the next step. Copy your Steam profile URL using your preferred copy method, making sure you've selected the entire address before continuing. With the URL copied, open your preferred web browser and visit a reliable Steam ID lookup website. These tools can convert your Steam profile URL into several different Steam identifiers, including the hexadecimal ID used by FiveM. Once the website is loaded, paste your Steam profile URL into the search field. Double-check that the complete address has been pasted correctly, then locate and click the Lookup button. The website will process your profile information and display several different Steam ID formats associated with your account. Among the results, look for the Steam Hex ID used by FiveM. It will typically appear as a hexadecimal value beginning with Steam, followed by a series of letters and numbers. Once you've located it, copy the Hex ID and keep it somewhere safe for future use, especially if you'll need it for server configuration or verification. And that's all there is to it. You now know how to find your FiveM Steam Hex ID quickly and easily. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your time on FiveM.